Welcome, my name's Jodie Digney and I'm a consultant for Kazaz. Today I would like to share with you a layout I completed recently using the gorgeous Indigo Dreams papers. For the base I have used two pieces, the marble and the script. The bottom piece is the marble, and on this piece I have used the reverse side of it for the base. It has a great grungy border, and for the top piece I have used the script, and again I've used the reverse side of it as I love that marble watercolour on the page. So I have placed this down on top of the marble piece, and I've cut this down to 11 3/4 by 11 3/4 to showcase that border of the base. We're now going to stamp our camellias. So these are the set that I've used, camellia stamp die set. So you're going to take your black ink and you're going to lightly dab it over the image. Then we're going to flip the top of our precision press over and press down on that stamp to give a nice crisp image. And then we're going to flip that back over. And I've used watercolour paper as I'll be colouring this image with the aqua pens later. Now here I am showing you the camellias die from Kazaz, and we're going to use that in our die cut machine to cut out our stamped images. So here I'm giving you a quick demo of how to place the die on the image by lining it up to the frame, and then you're going to roll that through your die cut machine and you will be left with your die cut image. Next you're going to take your aqua markers, and I've used the Azure Blue to colour mine using the thick end of the pen, and we're just going to trace around that image, and then you're going to take your water pen to manoeuvre that colour around the image to finish off. Next we're going to use the mosaic piece of paper. So this is a reverse side. I've used the striped side of the mosaic paper as a photo mat, and that's cut down to 6 by 4 inches, and it's placed behind the photo on a slight angle, as you can see here in the video. Here I have used the netting chipboard, and to colour the chipboard I've just used my black ink by placing my chipboard down on a craft mat and inking over the top of it to give it colour. As you can see, I've already started to assemble my photo and embellishment. So to have access to behind the photo, I've used a piece of foam tape and stuck it to the back of my photo, and then positioned it on my page where I would like it to sit. Here you will see that I'm just playing around with the layout, putting my flowers down, mounting them with the mounting tape, and adding the chipboard and a metal embellishment, and then I will proceed to stick it all down with some glossy accents. as I've started to put my layout together and sticking it down, I've used some foam tape and glossy accents. I decided that underneath the camellias I needed something, so I found the clock chipboard. So I've snipped that, as you can see here, inked it in black, and then stuck it underneath those camellias. To create the background, I've taken the Distress Oxide Ice Spruce ink with my ink blending tool, and I've just inked around the edges with my blending tool to create that beautiful smoky look around the edges of my page. Using the Distressed Oxide spray in Ice Spruce, remove the cap and flick over your page. Make sure to cover your photo so that you don't get any ink on the photo to create the splattered effect. As we come to the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching, and you will notice in the photos of the finished layout that I've also added an extra colour, being the Distress Oxide Spray Mermaid Lagoon, and I've also stamped the Stains Uncut set on the background with the Ice Spruced Distress Oxide ink. You will find links to all these products below this video, and once again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, remember, stamp, scrap, embellish.